Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh Neil. Well, we had a blast of a month actually, if you look at it. I'm going to go back to a month, all the way from actually couple 2 months, from all the way to 30. We went high all the way to $55, and we talked about our two important support level, $46.29. We broke out. Then we talked about $50.11. We broke out. We now is acting as a support level for massive support level, right? Overall, we still in the uptrend. Our 200-day moving average is the pink line here. Seen is acted time and time as a support. And when we came all the way to $48.53 on Friday, we were coming closer to our 200-day moving average. We rallied back again to close over $50, and which I've updated the video on Friday to say that we will be closing over $50, which is going to be above our support, right? So I'm excited, folks. I'm excited because there's a lot of things going to happen this week, and I am so excited. Let's talk about some news and some stuffs. On July 3, NIO electric vehicle owners were charged free of service using the fast charging piles from July 4th to the July 10th. Owners can enjoy 50% of discount on service charges when charging. NIO said on July 3rd, NIO has 7 battery swap stations, right? 4 supercharging stations, 7 destination charging in Xinhong, and excess of more than 10,000 third-party charging piles, right? This is some exciting stuff, folks. I'm pumped. NIO has the largest energy replenishment site in China goes on operation. Look at this, folks. How many charging? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 in one section, and another 10 is at the 12 at the back. And our 2.0 supercharging station where you can swap battery in 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Wow. So this is the stuff that NIO is continuously growing and updating to the investors on the growth, right? That's what we want to know. Growth, right? Are they stuck at one place? Are they continuously growing? They're continuously growing, right? So that's what we're looking as investors on that, right? Let's go back and talk about our stock. Well, I'm gonna go back to 6 months, right? When we had these 6 months, right? When we were on 530, right? All the way we came to double bottom at $30. I mentioned, folks, here comes the rally because month of June, July, and August is usually a tech sector heavy, and we have been doing it massively. So in the 6 months, 4-hour time frame, when we had, so our yellow line is the 60-day moving average, pink line is the 200-day moving average. We came, now is acting as a support. On Friday, we came over right over here, close to all the way to low of $48.53, and our moving average was at $48.25, and before we came, it had rallied back again, and we closed over $50, which I was very, very optimistic about it, that we will be, when I did the video on during the market hours, that we will be closing over $50, which we did and stuff, right? RSI has a cool off. MACD had a sell off from all the way high from $55.25, because we expected it. People were holding profits, we were taking away his profits, so we expected this pullback comes in, right? Certain key things moving forward throughout the week. One thing I really want you guys to pay attention is the NASDAQ, because the NASDAQ is all-time high, folks. It's all-time high right now, but it still can run, right? Anything is possible, still can run. We just have to see this, if we're going to have some sort of correction comes back, or we're going to have an updated news. A lot of Fed will be speaking this week. Jerry Powell is going to be speaking this week on the inflation rate. So something that we might have to definitely have to pay attention. Excuse me. Pay attention throughout this week, how this market is going to play out. What I'm looking, and what will be testing the 2 key levels. Yes, folks, testing that 54.49 this week, and even higher, $58 this week, right? This is the 2 levels we'll be trading. I'm I'm okay if we'll be trading in between these two levels, right? $50 level to $54 level for this week, or even testing the 58 level. Since the Fed is speaking, even Jerry Powell's coming on, unemployment data is coming on, and the economy recovery plan will be discussed on Thursday. So we definitely need to pay attention so the key information comes out, right? But also caught my eye on the year to date is the blue line, the 2 EMA, has been acting some sort of a massive support, which is very, very important, because if we break through on that to see if we are continuously on the downtrend pattern, but on the MACD, it is RSI is cooled off to 64, massive. That's why I'm saying we'll be testing at $54 level, or even high of testing close to $58 level this week, because we have RSI has a lot of room on uptrend. The MACD looks solid because still has an uptrend. We're still on the uptrend because our moving average, pink moving average, 200-day, 60-day, 20-day, all aligning and they're pointing uptrend. They all are pointing uptrend for coming weeks, right? Even SPY. Let's go quickly to look at SPY, SP 500, because it is at all-time high too, right? Once we had these corrections came in, we had act as a high. So something we have to watch it throughout this week. I'm sorry, folks. I am not telling that, oh, we're going to come back all the way to 40, 30. This is not what I am seeing it, but we just have to be very careful this week, because there's a lot of information coming out from the Jerry Powell's team, and also our tech sector, NASDAQ, SPY 500 are all out all-time highs right now, right? Doesn't mean it cannot continue running, but we always need to have a plan. If it drops, what are we looking at it, right? On Friday, I loaded up some call option. I mentioned it. I will be loading some call options, which I did, right? Because there was an opportunity for buying, and which I did on that. So this kind of pullbacks, you'll see it. Just don't panic, folks. Don't panic, because we went on the 48. We came back all the way to 43 at one time, right? We tested it, reset it, and that's what we did again. 55, we came back to at $48.53. Now we closed up at 50. Tomorrow, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I am seeing around at $54, testing that level. Yes, folks, I am very confident we'll be testing that $54.91 level to see if we break out, because that's a massive, massive resistance to break out. In past, you'll see it acted as a huge support. One time right here, we got rejected, came down, and then once we went all-time high of $66.99, it acted as a massive support at $54.91. Even then we tested, we went back at $66, and then after that we broke all the way through. So also chip shortage, looks like our chip shortage is finally getting over, which is a great sign, right? But there's no clear indication or the information that came out from the NIO team or any EV sector saying that chip shortage is over. They are at full force of making cars, right? So 10,000 delivery is something in each month, and I think I'm very confident we might see in month of July that coming close to 10,000 deliveries for NIO. We did 8,023 vehicles delivery in month of June, but July I'm be very, very amazed to see if we see cross that 10,000 mark, right? So we'll see on that. Hey folks, if you guys like the video, stay tuned and subscribe so you guys can be constantly updated on NIO. Sorry, I lost my voice on the weekends, so I'm trying my level best to do it. Overall, thank you very much for supporting it, and I'm very excited for this week. I'm so pumped up. We're very excited for this week, and thank you very much for watching the video, and have a good day.